and we used to run through the thunder and pouring rain. You scooped the mud and gave it to me. We played farm, we fed the cows, built our tiny house of dreams. New Year came, you bloomed into a young lady. Mother told you to stay inside and leave our childhood games behind. 3 years passed and Faye one day brought you back before my eyes. A grown young woman, pure and graceful, no beauty in the world could compare. Caillou, your eyes, how they shine and tremble, nervous glow and fluttering, captured by your gentle charm. Soft and slender, curling hair, a simple smile stole my soul away. I tried to speak but dared not say, oh heart, why can't you be as before?